Refresh yourself, restore the world. A marketing campaign by Kong's creation team. We are the Kong's creation team. We believe in big ideas, ideas that connect, ideas that change things. Coca-Cola's Summer 2026 campaign is one such idea. It's called Refresh Yourself, Restore the World.
This is more than a tagline. It's a promise, a movement, a new way to think about a simple sip. We are thrilled to share this vision with you.
Our vision is simple yet powerful. We see a world where enjoyment and impact go hand in hand, where every Coca-Cola opened can open a door for someone else. This campaign links personal refreshment with global restoration.
It's about the joy of a cold drink on a hot day and the joy of making a real difference. This is the future we are building together. Starting summer 2026.
The Kong's creation team is global, diverse, and passionate. We bring different perspectives, from marketing strategists to creative artists, from data analysts to storytellers, all united by a common purpose. The why, purpose-driven marketing for a better tomorrow. Why this campaign? Why now? The world is changing. People seek more than just products. They seek meaning, connection, and purpose.
They want to know that their choices matter, that their purchases can contribute to something bigger. Coca-Cola understands this shift. This campaign is our answer.
It's marketing with a soul. It's about shared values. Our purpose is clear: to fuse the simple pleasure of drinking a Coca-Cola with the profound act of helping others, specifically to aid clean water access in Somalia.
Imagine someone in Rome enjoying an ice-cold Coke. That moment of refreshment simultaneously helps bring life-sustaining water to a community in need, miles away. This is connection in its purest form. This is purpose in action.
This isn't just about charity, it's about shared humanity. It's about recognizing our interconnectedness. A small act of consumption can create a significant positive ripple.
We believe consumers are ready for this. They are eager to participate, to be part of a story of positive change. Refresh yourself, restore the world, invites them in. It makes them heroes of this story.
Scanning the horizon, strengths and weaknesses in our SWOT. To build something great, we must understand our ground. Our SWOT analysis helps us see clearly. Let's start with our strengths.
Coca-Cola is a globally recognized brand. Its reach is immense, its heritage rich. This provides an incredible platform. We have existing distribution networks, loyal customer bases worldwide, and significant marketing resources. These are powerful assets to launch a campaign of this magnitude.
Our brand is synonymous with refreshment. This is a core strength. The campaign name, Refresh Yourself, Restore the World, builds on this. It feels natural and authentic.
Another strength is our global team, Kong's creation, bringing diverse talents and insights to craft a truly universal message. We also have experience with large-scale initiatives. We know how to execute complex projects. These strengths give us a solid foundation, a launchpad for success.
However, we must also acknowledge our weaknesses. Being a large global company can mean slower decision-making. We must strive for agility and speed. The scale of the campaign presents logistical challenges. Ensuring transparency in the aid delivery is crucial. Any misstep could damage trust. We need robust monitoring systems to show exactly how contributions are making an impact. Navigating the path, opportunities and threats in our SWOT. Now let's look at the exciting part: opportunities. There's a growing consumer demand for purposeful brands. This is a massive opportunity.
People want to align their spending with their values. This campaign taps directly into that desire. Summer 2026 is an ideal time. People are outdoors, socializing, seeking refreshment.
Linking that feeling to a greater good can create powerful emotional connections. This is an opportunity to deepen brand loyalty. Digital and social media offer unparalleled reach. We can share stories of impact directly from Somalia to the world, creating a global community around the campaign.
Partnerships with NGOs and local organizations can enhance credibility and effectiveness. This is an opportunity to innovate in our marketing, moving beyond traditional advertising towards more experiential and engaging content. The potential for positive global PR is immense, showcasing Coca-Cola as a force for good.
But we must also be aware of threats. Competitors may launch similar initiatives. We need to ensure our campaign stands out through its authenticity and tangible impact. Economic uncertainty could affect consumer spending, making people less inclined to choose branded products or participate in cause-related marketing.
we must emphasize the value and the direct impact. The geopolitical situation in regions like Somalia can be volatile. This could pose risks to aid delivery.
Section 5, the journey of connection, guiding consumers with AIDA.
How will we connect with people?
How will we inspire them to join us?
We use the AIDA model: attention, interest, desire, action. It's a journey we guide our consumers on.
First, we must grab their attention through bold, captivating visuals. Think stunning imagery of Rome juxtaposed with hopeful scenes from Somalia. Unexpected, thought-provoking.
Our slogan, refresh yourself, restore the world, simple, memorable, intriguing.
Next, we build interest. We tell the story behind the campaign. The why, the connection. How does enjoying a Coke in Paris help someone in a village far away? We use short films, social media content, real stories from real people, showcasing the Kong's creation team's passion, explaining the transparent mechanism of how purchases translate into clean water projects. This builds curiosity and engagement.
Then we cultivate desire. This is about emotional resonance. We want people to be part of this, to feel the joy of contributing, the satisfaction of making a difference by choosing Coca-Cola.
We highlight the dual benefit, the personal refreshment they know and love, and the powerful social impact they can create. It's a desire for a better self and a better world.
Finally, we drive action. The action is simple: choose Coca-Cola, participate in campaign-related events, share the message with friends and family. Section 6. Measuring what matters, our key marketing objectives. What does success look like for this campaign? It's more than just selling drinks. Our marketing objectives are multifaceted. They reflect our dual vision of refreshment and restoration.
First, yes, we aim for a sales increase. A measurable lift in Coca-Cola purchases during summer 2026. This is important because sales fuel the contribution to the clean water projects in Somalia. More refreshment means more restoration. The two are directly linked.
Our second key objective is social impact. This is the heart of the campaign. We will measure the funds raised, the number of clean water wells built or restored, the number of people in Somalia gaining access to clean water. These are tangible, life-changing metrics. We will report on these transparently, sharing progress with our consumers, so they can see the difference they are making. This accountability is crucial for trust and for the campaign's integrity.
Third, we aim for brand strengthening. We want to enhance Coca-Cola's image as a responsible, caring, and innovative brand. We will track brand perception, consumer sentiment, and brand loyalty. This campaign should deepen the emotional connection people have with Coca-Cola, making it a brand they are proud to support, a brand that aligns with their values. This builds long-term brand equity beyond a single summer season.
Our fourth objective is consumer engagement. We want to create a conversation and a community around refresh yourself, restore the world. Section 7. Reaching every heart, segmentation and targeted impact. Who are we trying to reach? Our message is universal, but our approach is targeted. We've identified key segments for this campaign.
Our primary segment is global tourists, people who like to explore new cities. They are often seeking iconic experiences and are open to new ideas. A Coca-Cola is a familiar comfort in an unfamiliar place. Linking this refreshment to a global cause can resonate deeply with their sense of adventure and their desire for meaningful experiences. They become ambassadors of the campaign.
Our secondary segment is locals in major urban centers. People going about their daily lives, enjoying moments of refreshment at work, with friends, during leisure time. We want to show them that their everyday choice can have an extraordinary impact. We will tailor messaging to local cultures while maintaining the global theme, engaging them through community events and local media partnerships, making the campaign relevant to their lives and their communities.
A crucial, though different group, is the beneficiaries in Somalia. They are not a marketing target in the traditional sense, but they are at the heart of our Restore the World promise. Our communication about them must be respectful, dignified, and empowering. We will work with local partners to share their stories authentically, with their consent and participation, showcasing the positive change that access to clean water brings. Their well-being is the ultimate measure of the campaign's restorative success.
Finally, we consider a broader audience: socially conscious consumers. People of all ages and backgrounds who actively seek out brands that do good. They are influential and vocal. They can become powerful advocates for the campaign. We will reach them through digital channels, cause-related marketing platforms, and partnerships with sustainability influencers. By understanding these diverse segments, we can craft messages that resonate and inspire action across the globe, connecting every sip to a shared human story.
This targeted approach ensures our message reaches every heart. It's about making a global impact through personal connections. Together we can refresh ourselves and restore the world. Join us on this journey. Section 8. The Alchemist's Formula: Product, Price, Place, and Promotion, the 4PS. How do we bring this campaign to life? Through the classic marketing mix, the 4PS: product, price, place, promotion.
Let's start with product. The core product remains the Coca-Cola everyone loves. The taste, the refreshment, unchanged. But for summer 2026, it becomes something more. Special edition packaging will highlight the campaign. Refresh yourself, restore the world, proudly displayed. Perhaps a unique design element symbolizing the connection to clean water projects. QR codes on cans and bottles leading directly to stories of impact.
Next is price. The price of Coca-Cola will remain consistent. We are not asking consumers to pay more. The contribution to clean water projects comes from Coca-Cola's commitment, fueled by the increased engagement and sales. This makes participation accessible to everyone. It's not an extra cost, it's an added value. The value of making a difference with a familiar everyday purchase. This approach fosters inclusivity.
Then, we have place distribution. Coca-Cola's unparalleled global distribution network is key. The campaign will be visible wherever Coca-Cola is sold, from bustling city centers to quiet neighborhood stores. Special emphasis will be on tourist hotspots areas of Rome City, ensuring the campaign message is unmissable during the peak summer season of 2026. Availability and visibility are crucial to drive participation and impact.
Finally, promotion. This is where the story unfolds. Section 9. A ripple of hope. The lasting impact of refresh and restore. What will this campaign achieve? We envision a summer of 2026 filled with purpose, where millions of moments of personal refreshment combine to create a powerful wave of global restoration.
The immediate impact will be tangible. More purified, usable water. More access to clean water in Somalia. Lives improved. Health enhanced. Communities strengthened. This is the direct result. The measurable outcome of Restore the World. This is change you can see. And change you can be proud of.
But the impact goes deeper. For consumers, it's a new way to engage with a beloved brand. It's the understanding that their choices matter. That even a small act, like enjoying a Coca-Cola, can contribute to something much larger. This can foster a greater sense of connection to the brand and to the global community. It can inspire more conscious consumption, a desire to seek out brands that align with their values. This is a shift in perspective.
For Coca-Cola, this campaign has the potential to redefine its role in society, moving beyond just a beverage company to become a true partner in positive change. It strengthens brand loyalty, enhances reputation, and attracts talent that wants to make a difference. It demonstrates that profit and purpose can coexist beautifully and powerfully. This sets a new standard for what a global brand can achieve. It's marketing that leaves a legacy.
Refresh yourself. Restore the world. It's more than a slogan, it's an invitation, a promise, a movement, a belief that together we can make a difference. Thank you.